Thank you for joining us. And of course, we'll speak with you shortly on markets forward. 3-point change, so it's going to be as flat as they come. 24,840 on the Nifty. And, the Bank Nifty also will be flat. I think by close, it'll come up on your screens. Nothing. 1-point change on the Nifty Bank. So this is nothing on the indices. But mid-caps and small-caps, I think, way more different. With the small-cap index ending with almost 1% gains. The mid-cap index, I think, ending with a 0.5% gain today. 0.4% and 0.86 respectively on mid and small-cap indices there. Market breadth, very, very positive. I mean, I think if you were to summarize, it's basically, the continued momentum and vibrancy in broader market. Large caps took a bit of a break at the index level, really. So that's essentially the long and short of it. Once again, I think the high today, let me just look at how close did we get. We get as close as yesterday. The high was 24,971. Yesterday, of course, we got almost 225,000. It's actually an inside day as well. So we basically spent the entirety of the day within yesterday's range, between yesterday's high and yesterday's low. So just kind of indicates a little bit of indecision. Rarely has the market shown that indecision over the last many months now. It's been up and up. So we'll see if that continues tomorrow onwards. But as I said, broader markets, absolute rocker of a session once again.
Okay, a quick word on the big gainers then. Power stocks, NTPC Power Grid post their Q1 numbers. For Power Grid, it's the increase in the guidance on capex and capitalization which excited the street. Top owners go to Tata Motors, 3.5% gain. Oil marketing companies higher, BPCL up close to about 3%. Banks started off with some promise, up nearly 500 points at one point of time in the Nifty Bank, but closed absolutely flat with names like ICICI Bank ending in the red. Some of the top losers include an LTIMindtree, SBI Life coming in for some profit booking. Cipla, Pharma in the Pharma pack down 1.5%.
Okay, not too bad for the mid-caps. You still had high movers and shakers. Nykaa, Kansai, Nerolac, 7 to 8% up on these stocks. CAMS up about 8.5%. PCBL, we've been discussing the huge move on Phillips Carbon, up about 11%. Newland had a good day, 7% on the higher side. IIFL Securities, Skipper. So a fair amount of winners in the mid-cap arena. Varun Beverages, of course, was the big disappointment after numbers, down 6.5%. And Idea Forge was the other, down about 11.5%. So the bell has gone and the day has ended with the bulls once again failing to scale Mount 25,000. That's where we take your leave on closing bell. But don't go anywhere because all the market action continues. Up next is Markets Forward.